Hello, Nail Divas. It's me, Princess D. And today we are going to review this mini air compressor, which is translated to me as to be an airbrush. And this is brand spanking new. I haven't opened it until just now with you guys. And I am going to try to do my best to make this as quick as possible because I know that I need to cut my videos down, y'all. So I'm going to do my best to make this as quick as I can. And I'm going to start off by just throwing that over to the side. Now, here's the box, and it shows the little container that you can use if you're going to do something big, like a big project. This is the little metal one that you put the paint in. This looks to be like a little plastic one. And apparently these are all different nail guns. Or air guns, I should say. Ha! I'm using it for nail stuff, so it's a nail gun. Okay, it's kind of late here when I'm recording that. So today, this video. So if I act a little nutty, it's because I am and because it's late. Sorry. Okay, so the first thing I see is this little booklet, and it is the instruction manual, and it is in English here, and it's saying thank you, yada yada, telling me all the stuff that is in here, which I'm going to want to check this off and make sure that everything is indeed in here. So let's open it up and see what's going on. I'll take a look at this real quick and I'll be right back with you. Okay, y'all, so I was going to take it all out, yada yada, but I want you to see how it was all packaged in there. So here's the little booklet I was looking at. It's really detailed and really, really good. I'm going to use it. It comes with this really good hose here that is also threaded with the nylon to keep it protected, and then it has these screw hickey majiggy mabobbers, yeah, so that when you attach it, you know that it's attached well. And then here is the plug to plug it in for the power. And these are all the little brushes that you're going to need to clean all the parts. And in this little manual, it shows you really detailed how to do that. So we'll get into that as well. And this little tool opens up. I'll show you that too. And then this, I don't know. Oh, this hooks onto the side of here for you to put the gun in, I think. Here is the gun. And, ooh, it's so cute. I can't wait to play with it. We're not going to play with it today. We're just going to open it all up and see what it looked like. And then we will do another video on how to play with it. Right, Vanessa? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're going to take this out of there. Throw that over there. Here's our little hickey mabobber, but it... Oh, okay. Yeah. It goes in right there, and then the gun goes in like so. But this little wire, let's undo this. This little wire. Oh, cute. It's so cute, right? It's so little. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than this, but it's not. So the hose here is a long stretch, y'all. So if you wanted to put it on the floor beside you, you've got a lot of room. If you wanted to put it on a table off to the side, you've got a lot of room. From the gun itself, you screw on like this. And then this part screws on in the back like this. You see? Very simple. Even I can do it. Okay. So that's how that hooks up, y'all. Move over, Evie, baby. Sorry, boo-boo. We'll put you back in your spot, honey. Okay. So these are to clean in here and in the nozzle and all of these little spaces, because you don't want to leave no paint in there. And this is how you turn it on and off. Okay, so it's all put together, and then here is the power cord for it, and we'll turn it on just to see it all lit up. And oh, the power cord though, yo, that's not very long. That's like from my left shoulder all the way down to the tip of my right fingertips. That's not very long at all. So it has to be really close to the outlet, you guys. Okay. Now. Oh, okay. Okay. So that's what?
Did you press something on
I didn't push nothing. Did I?
Oh.
Oh. It's doing. It's doing stuff. You. Oh. It don't like me talking to you guys.
Get out of here. What's it doing?
I'm not gonna say anything because it makes noises. Is it supposed to?
It was like vibrating too.
Okay, let's shut it off. Okay. There's
shift.
3 little okay, so maybe I should read these instructions and see what that's supposed. I'm gonna read these, you guys, and I'll be right. Okay, you guys. So what Vanessa and I figured out is that when it's on, it is filling the tube with air all the way to the gun. So once the air is filled up through this whole tube and it gets all the way to the gun, when the gun is off, then it will turn off. Okay. So then if I were to release this, it would turn on. Listen. See? Okay. And if I were to spray the gun, yeah? Give me. OBTW, this is the PND's 90 gels, by the way, dollies. Yes, look at that. Look at that, baby. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so whatever. So we would put the finger here on the stand and put our little thingy and boop, 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 boop. Whatever we're booping and spraying. Each time you release the air, it will turn back on to fill the hose back up so that you get an even spray each time. Now, so what you would do is just put the paint. It didn't come with paints. It didn't come with any stencils. That's the only downfall. I should have read the directions to know if it had that. I just assumed that it did. So I don't have any of the right stuff to use for it because I really want to use it for you guys. I do have some paints, but it doesn't say what paints to use with it, and I don't want to mess it up already. So I will order some paints and stencils, and we will return to this little device again and do some designs with it. Let me know down below what you think I should do with it. What kind of paints you think I could use in it. Help your girl out because it's the first time I've ever put my fingers on one of these things and we want to use it. I don't know why I became a redneck. I'm sorry. I had a moment. Okay, it's late and I'm tired. Okay, I'm sorry. I got a redneck daughter. And a redneck son.
Yes, you do.
I got two hillbillies.
You sure do.
I love y'all. Anywho, yeah. So we're going to revisit this airbrush thing. I think it's absolutely adorable. These lights show the power and stuff. I love the cute little thing that holds it here. I'm going to have to make a cute little spot for it. at my station because I want it to become, but it seems really, really intricate, or whatever the right word. I'm trying to sound like I'm smart. I don't even know what that means, but it seems like there's a lot of stuff that go with cleaning every little piece, and you got to make sure that you clean every little piece right, or it will clog and it won't work properly. Wow. I tried really hard to say everything right that time. It won't work properly. Okay, so look at all of these little things, you guys. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, we gonna visit that another day, but yeah, you'll have to screenshot all that because the video will be super, super long. And look at all these tools to clean it with. And I'm gonna show you this little one here in case y'all want to know what it do and what it supposed to do and whatever it do. What I say? I said that already. That's okay. Hold on. It's gonna come out. All right. This little guy, you unscrew. Ooh, mess with me. Ooh, mess with me, right? Ooh, mess with me, eh? Good. Now what? Oh, you think, oh, that's a pen. That's just a pen.
That is cool.
Watch. Ooh, yeah, good. Now, right in the, right in the, okay, I'm just playing. Your girl's playing. Don't even come at me down below. I'm just playing. I told you before. Y'all signed a waiver when you hit that subscribe button to say that you at the crazy institution of the YouTube. You agreed to be a part of this, okay? I'm just playing. There ain't no part of nothing. This is not a cult type thing. I'm just playing because I'm tired. I'm probably going to voice this whole thing over. Probably. But this is a good purchase here. You can find this on Amazon. I forget how much I paid for it, but I'll try to post it up in there. Ding! There you go, fangirl. That's for you, bae. Anywho, I'll post up in there to show you how much it was. I'm going to try to hook up my Amazon store. Nikki, get at your girl. I'm going to call you tomorrow now. Alright. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe, like, share, all that chitty chitty bang bang down below. You know what I'm going to say next? Come on now. See you when I see ya. Stay divalicious. Mwah!